We're on the 20th floor of the Sheraton Premier in Tyson's Corner, Virginia. And wait until you see what we have here. These are not Otis through 11 since they're 25 stories. That's a Toy Story. No, I don't know. This is a 25-story hotel. So these are obviously not 211. Otherwise they'd be sky draws. Pardon me, pardon about the busyness. These are very busy. I hear one coming. I hope I get one of these two since they've got the grandma voice on them. Here, we got this one. Concourse.
Okay, where are you?
That's right, Otis Elevonic 401.
Okay.
Whee! These are fast.
Okay, can you just say that again? No, Mom. Please just pay attention.
Hard stop. These are
No, please just wait.
Going down?
Yep.
Which floor? Lobby?
Lobby. Yep. Thank you.
Concourse?
No lobby.
Woo! These are fast.
Yeah.
Here at the mezzanine. Listen to the speaker. Classic leveling. Going down?
Yes.
Lobby?
Yes.
Thank you.
These are the first microprocessor-based system, and the first ones to use voice announcements.
Oh, wow.
All this from 1985.
Oh, wow.
This going down.
Thank you.
This, you going up? This going down. This going down. Here we go. Whoa. Let's go to 24. Classic leveling. Going up. Which floor?
It's the 7.
7?
Yeah.
Here we go. These are fast. Whoa!
Going to 4?
I'm taking a ride.
Going to 4?
I'm just taking a ride.
Good. Oh my God.
Here up at 7.
Good. See.
There you go. Have a good afternoon. The grandma voice is very quiet in this one. Here we go. Whee! My first Elevonic 401s ever. Here, whoa. Here are 24. Classic leveling. Go back down to 20. Look up the shaft. 1985 probably. Otis. Here we go. Whoa! Beautiful cabs. Look in the mirror. Who do you see? Hi. Early Series 1 fixtures. Whoa. Classic leveling. ADA code compliant phone. Door goes and that's it.